to install a biogas digester. Let's go! Arrive at the scene. Step 1. Dig the pool to the specified dimensions. Arrange for unloading. Step 2. Lay protective film around the pool structure. Step 3. Unfold the soft pool. The display area is 2,400 square feet, divided into 4 separate tanks to ensure safe operation. Step 4. Connect the fan to the air inlet. Turn on the blower to begin gas injection. All 4 tanks have been pressurized. Check out the results. Step 5. Connect the wet or dry separator. Pour engine oil into the main unit. Perform final debugging. Testing normal. Slurry has undergone dry wet separation. The separated liquid manure enters the tank for fermentation. If you also have biogas fermentation needs, contact me right away.